I want to go outside.
You gotta take the jump off.
I want to finish drinking my beers.
Oh, that's what I thought.
This is perfect for the beer drinking college
yeah, tell
student.
him this is what you learned at home.
It looks like he's gonna be chafing, man.
He isn't. If he was in the nude, yeah, all right, now.
Yeah, that might be a little weird.
Come on, get up.
You
slow.
sure you don't need to put your? You sure you don't need to put your
That's how it goes.
Yeah, it's a little bit snug, but I don't want to.
Want me to sit back there?
legs back in the air?
I bought this for
Protection.
a reason.
For emergencies.
Yeah, it could be.
Just soak up the floor.
But I didn't know what you do first. Put on one of these or condom.
Or a what?
She said condom. By the way, she said condom.
That wasn't